This year for my birthday, I wanted ladybugs. And I got them a little earlier because we have some aphids in the yard. And there they are. They're all sleeping now. I thought I was supposed to just stick them in the fridge, but I was supposed to actually mist them with water a little bit first and let them dry and then put them in the fridge. So I did not know that. And we just had gotten home. The package was there. We quickly put it inside in the fridge because it had been, we don't know how long it was sitting there. I had heard a million times, everyone said, get them, put them in the fridge, get them, put them in the fridge. And somehow I missed the spraying with water detail. Maybe I hadn't seen it in different videos, but I looked back at the product information and it said mist with water. So the question is, do I mist it with water now? There's 2 bags in there. I could test it out and see what happens. But like mist one with water and not one not, and then you have to let it dry before it goes back in. So it's not like I can just spray them while they're in there and hope for the best, because I guess now they're already sleeping, right? Because they go into the fridge to basically make a fake hibernation kind of thing. So yeah. So anyway, but my plan is this. I'm just going to leave them alone because it goes against my typical instinct, which is to kind of like mess with things and like try to get it right. And then I end up just making it worse. So I'm going to just let them be. I made the decision. I accidentally did not give them water before they went in, but they looked very happy and very healthy. And one of the things I heard was sometimes they're dehydrated when they arrive. And I thought, well, if they had been dehydrated when they arrived, they probably wouldn't have looked like really happy, right? So that's my hope. Anyway, so we'll see how it goes. But what I am going to do is release them as soon as I can. So I'm going to release, I just found this out now, the sun's already out. So I cannot release them until the sun goes down so that they'll stay in the garden. So that's the plan. So probably going to be a disaster, but maybe a good, funny disaster, or maybe just a lame disaster. We'll find out.
My mom, you have to wet the whole yard. It's almost time for the ladybugs. Hey, not butterfly. Ladybug release. Yes.
So I just took these out of the fridge. They arrived and we immediately put them in the fridge. They came yesterday. Yeah. They're making a sound. Do you hear that sound they're making?
What sound?
Like a weird sound. And do you know what I might need? Scissors. Can you guys go grab me your scissors?
Go get not sharp ones. You.
I hope they're not dead. I think they're just sleeping. I hope they are sleeping.
Yeah, that's the zizzing sound of sleeping.
Okay. Can you?
Got him! Got him. Oh my goodness, there's my mommy. There's my mommy. This is going on YouTube. Not unicorn love.
Taken for some reason.
Lady. Once you find this video, that's okay. Can you see that?
Okay, so I do not want to cut any of these little guys.
Yeah, they're moving. They're moving.
Go down, go down.
They're moving. Go down. Go down, guys. Oh my goodness, this is exciting. That is
Can you film this?
No. She's cutting it.
I'm cutting really carefully. It's as close as I mean, it's the only place I can do it. So just do this. Boop. Okay, so now I'm just gonna, it's open enough, I think. So, oh my gosh. Okay, my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna, that's them around.
Let me sprinkle some. Let me put some. Let me put some. Let me get some. Let me first. Oh my gosh, this one.
Here, take a piece of this.
Put them.
You gotta bring them closer here, because this is where I watered everything.
Okay. I want to take a piece. Give me a piece. Give me a piece.
There you go.
Scared, I'm scared.
Take a piece. You can help me a little bit. Here.
Oh my God.
You can help me a little bit with these.
Right here, the crickets. 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 Oh yeah, crickets. On a man of smitty. Oh.
So there were aphids around here. Okay, you can do the rest. How's that?
Okay. See the bag? Oh. This one's coming on you! Here, can I have one? It's so active. Okay, wake up. Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at them all. They're so cute. Hey guys! Little ladies! Bugs! Men or women. That's okay. You are my friends. Oh, this one. right there. It's so close to me. It's so cute. Look at that cutie. Hi, dude. Hi, Duty. Should I call you Duty? Can I call you Duty? You're so dead? Yeah. Yes. Oh, how do you tell them that I want you guys to
Just
call
put your
them?
hand there, like underneath them, and they'll.
Call?
Yeah. The grass was probably not the best place to put these guys because Daddy's gonna mow the lawn, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, there they are. They're still alive. And they might crawl. Will they bite you?
No, they won't bite.
Do they bite?
No, they don't bite.
Okay.
They just eat.
Aphids, that's the only thing
how
they
about-
like.
Put your hand in front of where he's walking as opposed to what you're doing.
Oh, he fell.
Okay.
Goodbye.
See how pretty. I love ladybugs. I've always loved them. I just hope they move away from the lawn. I should have been a little more specific. I tried to explain, oh, there's one that's upside down. Oh gosh, I have to help him. Now he's all better. Okay, so this is another area. Put some near the fig tree. I have no idea if they're gonna have stuff to eat here, but I hope they will. I don't see any there. Oh, here's one. There's a couple. There's one down there. One there. Now, if they could only pick weeds, that would be awesome. He's definitely alive because he's clinging there. Looks like a berry, but it's really a little ladybug. And there's another one. They're so cute. Let's see if there's any other. Oh, okay, there's a ton over here. They liked it there, I guess. All right, see if I can find any here. Okay, so I don't see any ladybugs anywhere near the piano, but they definitely like this guy. There's one. Now, of course, I should know what this is called. Oh my gosh, this guy's upside down. There's one. Oh, that's a really cute one. It's like a perfect one. Well, I'm in Pop's garden right now. I'm gonna see if, just leave the gate open, okay? I put a bunch in Pop's garden in the bag. I left the bag here to see if they came out on their own because these were the stubborn ones, which might be the smartest ones. So
I like them.
I think you should just watch them and let them get used to being here. If they crawl on you because they just do, it's a different story. But
I just want to put
you can touch one, of course. But
I'm just going to put my hand here until they crawl on me.
okay.
They might think I'm a walk because I'm not moving.
Sorry, if you pick up the bag, maybe one of them will go to you. Okay.
Yes, they're so cute though. I can't take. Come on, guys. Oh, you want to come? Here, guys.
Oh wow, it was walking right to you.
Do they like me?
Cute bugs, honey. I don't know. I think they just like what they like to eat, and then, you know, give them a good place to live, and hopefully they'll stay around here.
What is that?
Wouldn't that be cool?
Oh, don't push the other one off, dude. I'm not going to pick you guys up if you're mean to the other one. Anybody, a ladybug got that? Come on, guys. God like me. They're so cute little creatures.
You want to try to put your hand nearby again? They're probably getting ready to go to sleep. They're trying to find a place to sleep now.
They're like, hi guys, is this a good place to sleep? Just want to take one of you guys that are moving. You guys are moving. You guys moving? You're moving? Oh my gosh, he has pinches.
No, he's not going to hurt you. It's okay. All right, love. So, okay. Let's see if...
Do you like me, guys? Oh, she flew onto a daffodil. Are you Daffy? I'm calling you Daffodil even if you had another name, but I don't care. Your new name is Daffodil. Daffodil.
Oh. Good night, Ladybugs. I hope you like it here. And if you don't, I hope you find a place that is good for you. Oh, that one might be a goner. Whoopsies. Poor guy. Well then. Live long and prosper.